line up your shots perfectly with the grid on your Canon camera but stuck with just one style? In this video, I'll walk you through how to change the grid display on your Canon camera, whether you prefer a simple 3x3 or a more detailed layout. Let's update your grid now. So first, turn on the camera. Now press the menu button. Go to the fourth camera tab. Here you will see the grid option. Scroll down and select this option. Then press the set button. Here you will get 3 more options. Off to hide the grid, 3x3 basic grid, 6x4 more detailed grid. If you selected 3x3, then now simply select 6x4 and then press the set button to confirm it. Here it changed. Alright everyone, that's how you can change the grid display on your Canon camera. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in.